In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Dropbox. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account. Instead of just relying on your password, Dropbox will also ask for a code from your phone or an authentication app. This means that even if someone somehow gets your password, they still won't be able to log into your account without that second code. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your files. First, sign into your Dropbox account on a computer using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Settings. This will open a page with different tabs for your account. On the Settings page, click on the tab labeled Security. This is where Dropbox keeps all of your security-related options, including password controls and two-factor authentication. Take a moment to scroll and find the section called Two-Step Verification, or Two-Factor Authentication. You should see a status indicator showing that it's currently turned off. Click the option to turn it on. Dropbox may ask you to re-enter your password at this point. This is normal and helps confirm that it's really you making these changes. After confirming your password, Dropbox will guide you through the setup process. You'll usually be given two main choices for receiving your codes. One option is to get codes by text message, sent directly to your phone number. The other option is to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or similar apps. An authentication app is generally more secure and can work even when you don't have mobile signal, as long as your phone is powered on. Choose the method that works best for you, then follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you pick text messages, you'll enter your phone number and then type in the verification code sent to you. If you pick an authentication app, you'll scan a QR code using your app and then enter the code the app shows. Near the end of the process, Dropbox will also give you backup or recovery codes. These are very important in case you lose access to your phone. Store these codes somewhere safe and offline, such as in a secure Notes app or written down and kept in a secure place. Once you've completed all the prompts, Dropbox will confirm that two-factor authentication is turned on. The next time you sign in, you'll use your password and then enter the code from your phone or app. With that, your Dropbox account is now much more secure.